Well, there's another interesting market out there. I like to talk about lean hogs, even though I wear the cow jacket. But lean hogs. Let's talk. Get something technical out of the way first, because folks do look at it. And we were up over 1% today, so again, pretty healthy. A big outside day up, they call that, right? Where yesterday the contract fell to a 1-month low, rejected those lows quickly, and then rallied higher. That's a whipsaw action. I think that's something that could be healthy for the market going forward. And then obviously it was today. We're up over 1%, so something to keep an eye on. The technical guys that will trade, or technical traders that trade this, will talk about that outside day up, and that's just exactly what I said it was. Fell to a 1-month low, rejected those lows pretty quickly, and here we go, settling over 1% higher today. So that's something that I think was pretty interesting as well. Still strong, still very strong in the fact that we saw these input prices are still fairly expensive. So really haven't corrected off of that. And so while still being very strong, it's starting to make me feel like something's afoot maybe here. Maybe there is more demand than is really being talked about. And I think that's probably coming from China. And that's my third point. The Chinese economy expanded last year. It's one of the bigger, the only one that did out of the big ones. And that means that things are getting back together quickly there. That's the demand that everybody's been trying to borrow here in the States from our markets going forward. And so that Chinese demand kind of coming back, their economy rebounding, also has given some wind to the wings of this market, even though the input prices have gotten more expensive. So the Chinese economy expanding has been very, or at least supportive, maybe even very supportive, as we talk about where we're going to, get this food going into the future here in the short term. So let's watch this market trade into the weekend and see if we can't continue these gains.